Here we are with part 2 of Life Cody. Here he is with his new friend. He's that way all day, except for me. Now, watch when I do this. Now watch when I throw this. Go on rampage. But if I
watch the news.
Yeah, news is good. I'm gonna hold on to it. Oh! Yeah. Look at that. It's like this is his own thing. This is how he. That's what he do.
Zeph, take that out, hand it to me. Put this in. Don't put your feet up.
Like, what's the name? From Aaron?
See this.
Anyway, let's move on. Ready? Go! And so ends the tale of this chew toy friend. It's an age-old fact song. You met a good guy. Who's gonna win a fight? What is gonna get this? And I'm Cody's fighting.
I'm saying to you.
And that's it, let's get some wine. And thus ends the tale of Don's life, the Cody story. Made by DJ Zeph. Subscribe!